Spaghetti. I want you to speak Germany.
German, I can't. Ich bin blau.
Can you talk Finnish?
Finnish. Minna rakasta sinua, ime mun muna, lopettu puhua ja kakkaauto.
Kukka ja kakkaauto. Can you teach me how to say it?
Lopeta.
Lopeta.
Puhua. Ja kakka.
Ja kakka.
Ja auto.
Ja auto.
It means stop talking shit about my car.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Not good. Totally not. No.
Ime mun muna means suck my dick.
That's awesome. I love it. What do you think, Angelica? About the whole thing, suck my dick thing?
Do you like it?
Do you like to suck dick?
Yes, very, very much.
Rebecca, what do you think? That's awesome. Wonderful. Paulina, what do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't know.
You don't know anything?
I don't know.
What do you want to talk about?
I don't know.
Do you want to talk about me?
Yes, I want to talk about.
Do you want to talk about trust?
No.
Emptiness? No. The feeling, the whole feeling about Michael Jackson. What do you think about Michael Jackson? Do you have seen the movie with Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson is not good.
It's
not the legend.
At the cinema right now. You can see him on his last show. Now Jan is coming. Do you want to say something?
Jan is coming. Hi everybody.
He's coming, he's coming.
Tycker att det är bra att man...
Can you talk English, please?
Yes, this is my friend Natalie.
Friend. I'm a friend.
And she wants me to speak English, so...
You can talk Italian if you want.
Yeah, but I can't talk Italian.
You can talk Norwegian. Yeah?
Okay.
Norway.
Okej. Är det bra med det?
Ja.
Ja.
Så. Ja.
Talk about something. Something deep.
Okej.
Deep and smoothie.
Snacka om Jan Banans fan.
Describe it.
He's really... Nej.
Nej.
Nu vill jag snacka engelska.
First it was Norwegian and then it was English. I am a bit confused, yes.
En gång på skolan så skulle jag snacka om någon julting. Och så började jag snacka engelska, och så började jag snacka fransk, och så snackade jag norsk. Och så började jag... Ja.
Det må ikke gå
I totally understand you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. What do you want me to say?
I want you to talk about the dick thing.
The dick thing.
Oh, ja!
Yeah, Rebecca is my assistant and she will talk with me.
Okay.
Yeah, Rebecca.
The expert.
Yeah.
This is more...
guys have
This is
bigger
the
larger one.
Olom.
Sometimes the old yeah, they can remove it from
Can you whisper a little bit? Whisper. Okay. You can talk about anything you want. Talk about Johnny.
No,
Johnny Boy.
Johnny Boy.
Can you sing a song about Johnny Boy? Andrea, can you sing a song about Johnny Boy?
Johnny Boy.
Nej.
Johnny Boy.
Her boyfriend, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Johnny Boy, Johnny Boy. Johnny Boy, Johnny Boy. Paulina loves you, Johnny Boy. Yeah. Yeah. She wants to dance with me. I want to sing a dance.
Sankta Lucia.
Sankta Lucia.
Mycket.
Sankta Lucia. Dance for me.
120, what the...
Yeah, 1,000. 2002.
Plus.
Minus.
Okay, wait a minute. Fuck.
Fuck!
We have to start over.
Oh my god, I'm so bad at this.
Plus 120 minus...
Emo, say something. In English, please.
He's my dad.
He's angry, I think. He don't like me. Have you seen the animal?
Yes, I saw it. It was really big, right?
Oh my gosh. Does it have eyes or ears or a mouth?
One red eye and then
Does it have a penis?
really long. Like this. Maybe. Wait. What do you see here?
30 centimeters.
4, 5, 6. Yeah, 21.
21.
You see, it's really long, and I think it's better enjoy it really much.
Yeah, do you enjoy it?
Maybe
You have a good time at night, I think.
but I think the monster is like Dasky.
Dasky, oh my god.
Right on her face.
I sound like a pig or something.
Really pink one.
Can you talk to me?
Okay, please say.
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, you have a leopard nostril pack.
Yeah. It feels really good. I killed a leopard or something last night. Yeah, and now I need to study math. That's really interesting. And yeah, and it's a really smart thing to do because you need to get smart if you want to have a job later. Hello.
Now we're ending in this class.
Yeah. Now we have lunch. And my legs are... Oh, hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, this is our lockers.
Our lockers, yeah. Exactly. And I need to...
They're pretty ugly.
And I have so much things in my locker, and it's so annoying. Men, yeah.
What?
Good. I say what in the butt. I say what in the butt. Well, we're there. My locker. So, look, it's so much thing. How can you?
Oj. Jag funderar på om hon är lite... No way, dude.
Joa.
Hon är lika här. Ja. Jag har köpt mig först.
Me and my homie. Riktigt sexigt det där alltså. Nu kör vi. Let's go. Okej, får se rumpan nu. Vilka på rumpan? Vilka? Honey bunny.
Yeah, I need to go to the toilet to fix my hair.
Oh my gosh, are you that much thick?
No, but I feel this part is not okay, so I want to fix it.
But I think it's really pretty.
Thank you.
I'm really nice. So.
Rebecca.
Yeah.
The toilet. Natalie och Andrea och Angelica. The toilet.
Nu måste ni ha fisklåten.
Vänta, vill du ha fisklåten?
Ja. Yes. Färdig. Sen. Hello.
Natalie, what are we going to do now?
We're going to eat some food.
No, first we're going to dance.
Read a party.
Jag får inte med alla. Nu.
Good.
And this. We need to do this.
And this.
And this.
Och så får vi hål.
Kolla.
Och sen pimplar vi.
Pimpel.
Och så napp och så drar vi fisken.
Fish. Nu, hör du. Nu. Nej.
Sexy fish.
Sexy fish.
Okej, men nu är jag hungrig. Nu går jag och äter.
Okay, now we're going to eat.
Okay.
We have dance for tonight.
Det blir lite sexig dans på toaletten.
Inne på stan har vi slutat. Och båda vi är väldigt deprimerade.